What's up, guys? Chris Martinez coming to you live right here in Houston, Texas. Let's see if we can do this without getting disconnected, guys. So, I want to talk to you today about turning those customers that hate you into customers that love you. Now, before we even get into this, let's discuss this, because I know some of you out there are going to chime in and say, oh, we don't make any mistakes, or that's why you need to train them a little bit better. And you're going to have all these little things. But I want to tell you guys, the more you grow and the more you add employees to your company, you're going to drop the ball. Okay? You're going to drop the ball. So here's what happened, man. We recently here dropped the ball big time. We, dropped it in such a way that it could have been crucial. It could have been devastating to us, right? Long story short, I'm just going to go out here and say it, man. We bleached a lady's landscaping down and killed her landscaping. And this lady wasn't happy at all. I mean, this lady had Yard of the Month kind of landscaping. She calls me crying, dude, crying. Chris. So anyway, she's upset, man. She's mad. And this was a few weeks ago. But here's the deal, guys. Yesterday, she left us an email saying, Chris, thank you so much for the way you handled the situation. I thought I was going to have to fight you guys for it. And then this morning we get an email saying, not only is she appreciative, not only is she thankful for the way we handle it, but she booked again. She's already booked again. So here's the point, guys, is that whenever you screw up, whenever you drop the ball, it's going to happen, guys. It's going to happen. I don't care what any of these guys out here say. The more you grow, the more you add employees, it's inevitable. You're going to drop the ball. But these are chances, guys, that you can take and show your customers what real customer service is all about. And these are the areas, guys. This is when, like that customer, dude, she hated us. I mean, she said it from the beginning. I will never use your company again. That very rarely happens. But let me tell you what happened. I got on the phone with her right away. I said, yes, ma'am, you're absolutely right. That is not the way we do stuff. And I went over and beyond. I didn't ever complain about it. She blamed us for some stuff that was broken that I don't even think we broke. But I said, you know what? I'm going to take care of it anyway. We lost money on the job. But you know what? I do 8 customers on her street alone and about 20 customers in that neighborhood. And here's what I wanted to happen. When she went and told the neighbors, like, hey, man, they screwed up bad, I didn't want it to end there. I wanted her to say, but you know what? Dude, not only they fix it, they went over and beyond. Guys, when you screw up, these can be the best times for customers to see what you're all about. So when she wrote that email yesterday, she said it. You have a loyal customer, Chris. Thank you so much. So what started out to be a nightmare for me has, you know what? It still is a nightmare, guys. Don't get me wrong. We lost money on that, and I hate losing money. I'm like, that's my biggest pet peeve right there, losing money. But we were able to pick that ball back up. We were able to save that ball. And you know what? Now we have a happy customer that said, you know what? When they screw up, they fix it. That's service you can trust, and that's what Love My Windows provides. So I want to encourage you guys, man. You know, when you get in a jam, when you drop the ball, a lot of people aren't even going to tell you when they drop the ball, guys. I'm going to tell you right now, we dropped the ball big time. Pick that ball back up and slam dunk it, dude. Knock it out the park. You'll have customers for life, dude. And even if they talk bad about you, they have to end it with something else that's good. Like, oh, you know what, though? They fixed it. So, Jeff, what's up, man? Tack, what's up? Chase, what's up, my friend? Thank you, Stacy. Appreciate that. So anyway, guys, turn those customers that hate you into referral machines, customers that love you. When you drop the ball, pick that bad boy back up and keep going. So, hey, y'all have a great day.